Today I want to share a story about how I used to have these headphones that I really liked. They were the Steelseries Arctis 5, I think. They were about $100, but I got them in around 2016, so 6 years ago. And I used them pretty much every day for just gaming. And they were really nice audio quality, really nice everything. So this is sort of a review. They were great. They were the wired version, it's not the wireless ones. But this year, earlier, a few months back, the kind of the cushion started peeling off. So kind of started getting damaged. Then it kind of fell off completely from one ear, like one side was completely off. So I just couldn't wear them very well, so I was kind of struggling with that. And eventually I was like, I'll just throw them away, and because like it's really hard to use them, I can't kind of play comfortably, so I just threw them away. And now this is what I use right now for gaming, this and the Blue Yeti mic, but this is just the Apple ones, the Apple earphones. And so this is kind of a advice for you guys: don't throw away your headphones if the cushion starts falling off, because there are replacements. I don't know how I found out. I think I was just browsing online, looking for other headphones, and then I kind of run into replacement parts for them. So you can replace that part. I didn't know, so I just threw them away, but you can replace it, and it's pretty cheap. I think it was like $5-10 for the replacements. So this is just a video to share that with other people. Hopefully it helps you if you have a pair of headphones that happened to them. You can still fix them and have them work like new. That's it. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next one next week.